So I was getting kind of near within 5 or 6 years of retirement or thinking about retirement. And I wanted to continue to have the social outlet that I have with work and also being able to be with people who are like-minded and enjoy the same things that I do, which is definitely gardening. So Master Gardeners became a perfect fit for me. The mission of the Master Gardener program is to teach others to learn to grow. We are trained by horticultural specialists, and we participate in many community activities to where we can teach this knowledge. And we have people that will come here to see our garden because it is a All-America Selection display garden. So for the All-America Selection project here at Jefferson Farm and Garden, we are the first within our region to become a display garden. We are one of 10 in Missouri, and we are one of approximately 200 gardens nationwide, which also includes Canada. These plants have been trialed and tested and proven to be appropriate for our region, to show the public what types of plants can be grown at this time of year within this region, within this zone. But it's also a great teaching mechanism of how to do your plant spacing, how to do a garden design. This is a live classroom. So the Extension Master Gardeners do provide a lot of gardening advice, but we also have a conscious feeling of produce that we can donate. The people who benefit from the produce that the Master Gardeners grow are people of food insecurity that do utilize the wonderful benefits of our food pantries. Before we begin growing the produce, we talk with the food banks to find out what is the overall demand from the public. We grow what the food pantry recommends, and then as Master Gardeners, we harvest and take it to the food bank. For example, last year, our chapter donated approximately 1,000 pounds of produce to several food banks within Columbia. The Extension Master Gardener program is for all ages, all types of people. You don't have to be limited to just wanting to work outdoors. We need people for planning, for designs. It's just open to everybody. I love being a Master Gardener, and there's so many reasons. We've seen the wonderful interaction with children coming to the garden and being able to pull a carrot out of the ground and realizing it doesn't come from a grocery store in a plastic bag. We have given seeds to people who have come back a year later and shown us beautiful pictures of what they were able to go home and grow. But those are the little carrots, no pun intended, that make it really all extremely worthwhile. And I think that that's amazing.